Hi there, this is Jebb Adams, and I'm about to replace the nose plate here after oiling it and washing it and then rinsing it in Krud Kutter, and it has come really clean compared to what it was on both sides. So there may be slight tarnishing along here still in spots, but in general it is gone, and those are such small areas that I can attend to them while it's installed on the 201K. That's what the purpose this screw serves, is to attach the top like that. Now the screw is in this container of Krud Kutter, and what I have is the presser foot that was on, and then the two screws. There's the other screw there. So I'm going to set that Krud Kutter aside like that, and I'm going to dry these little rascals. They have come really clean. They were, grimy and grungy before. And look at that, that's nice. I'm drying off the second screw or whatever. Isn't that pretty? No more grunge. Nice and clean. The foot, I'm really pleased with the foot. The foot has come really shiny, and it was messy. It's still a bit damp. I'm just going to dry it off, let it sit there, and we'll get, these screws are both the same size, the same thread. Are they? I think so. We'll soon find out. As mentioned before, Singer's screws are all proprietary, so they are unique to the Singer brand. You cannot use Singer brand screws. They won't fit on any other machine. And you can't buy one. You can't go down to the hardware store and buy one. That doesn't happen. Now we'll get the presser foot back on. There. So I will continue cleaning on the other side of the presser bar and the needle bar. For one of the videos coming up, I'm going to be cleaning this, do a demonstration on how to get that nice and clean. So I post every day. They're posted by before 5:30 in the morning, the videos, publish every day. Thank you for coming and watching. Your comments are welcome. I'm here to look after these machines and do it in a good way that other people maybe find some value or find some learn some things as well. Another way to see it done. I'm not the only restorer out here, but I thank you for coming. If you like, please like and subscribe. Pardon me. I would appreciate it. And have a great day. And check back every day. Thanks.